What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can buy or invest in European stocks on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your app, you will be on your home screen right here. So to purchase some stocks, go over to the Invest tab right here. Once on the Invest tab, you can just scroll down a bit. And here you have a lot of different investment vehicles, but in this case we want to buy some European stocks. So to do this we would need to open up the search bar, and here we can search for the European stock that we want to purchase, or you can just select European stocks right here. So you have a few different categories like US stocks, European stocks, ETFs, collections, and etc. But let's just tap on European stocks. And here is the list of the most popular or the biggest European companies, which stocks you can purchase. They also offer European stock indexes, so you can also buy that. But for this example, let's say that we want to buy a stock of Louis Vuitton. So I will just tap on that stock or that company, and I will just tap buy. Now on Revolut you're not limited to stocks, you can also purchase shares. So let's say that we want to purchase 10 euros worth of shares of Louis Vuitton. So just input 10 euros or your desired amount, and then you can select the account from which you want money to be taken out of. So I have it selected with my euro account, which is the default one for me, and I will just leave it at that. Now just go ahead and tap on review. And here you can review the transaction. So the fee for this exchange is 4 cents, and here is some other info about the exchange or the purchase. Now, as you can see, currently European stock market is closed, so my spot order will be completed as soon as the market opens, or at the next available time, which means that this is a market spot order. So to continue, just go ahead and click submit, and your order will be placed and executed as soon as possible. So that's guys how you can purchase European stocks on the Revolut app, or invest in European companies on Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.